One day, after Billy Butcher released compromising information about Jack from Jupiter, he returned home to find the poor dog dead on the floor. This was an act of revenge towards Butcher, a cruel and ruthless response without hesitation. Terror is the bulldog that Billy Butcher trained, and he is one of the few good things left to Butcher after the death of his wife. Don't be fooled, though. Unlike his owner, he was a good boy, quickly bonding with the rest of the team, earning the love and appreciation of everyone, and as he repeatedly stabbed him, he kept questioning why he killed him. However, he was never given an explanation because Black Noir was the real culprit.